Yes, dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we discuss matrix. What is the matrix? Introduction of matrix, fundamental concept of matrix we discuss today. First of all, matrix singular and matrix many matrices. Matrix is a Latin word in mathematics. A matrix is an arrangement of objects, just like a two shape of objects, numbers and variables, in the form of rectangle, array, and when we write any matrix we use square bracket and in a definite order. For remember, you have matrix. We are use here two types of number, real numbers and complex numbers. You know very well, real number I explain more time, and complex number. Matrices were introduced first time. James Sylvester and his friend Arthur के इसका नाम बुक में गलत लिखा हुआ है, ऑर्थर केले है और बुक में ऑर्थर केले is a mathematician. He was born in England, Richmond city. He made up a theory matrix. Today we discuss how can to write a matrix and relative parts of matrix. First of all, I explain you notations. Commonly, matrices are represented by capital letters of English alphabet. For example, X matrix 2 and 4. We took a matrix X, एक मैट्रिक्स है और मैट्रिक्स को हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट से शो करते हैं, पूरा लिख लीजिएगा, और अंदर के जो इसके अरकान होते हैं हम उनको एलिमेंट्स के ओपन ब्रैकेट भी यूज करते हैं, मगर इन पाकिस्तान मोस्टली मैथमेटिशियन भी यूज स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. तो आज हम जानेंगे और इसको डिफाइन करेंगे. इन अ मैट्रिक्स, a matrix has a matrix has rows and column. याद रखें, a matrix has rows and column. एक मैट्रिक्स एक रो भी हो सकती है, एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है, कॉलम एक भी हो सकता है और एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. First one, I explain here next matrix. For example, Y a matrix A, B, C and D. I wrote here Y matrix है और A, B, C, D ये इसके एलिमेंट्स हैं. In a start, we use our formula C into R into C, our formula. Rows into C. Here we not use into, we use by R by C. For example, what is the R? You know, R means rows and C means column. Row and column. Mostly we use any copy. Horizontal line, we say it is a row. And just like look at my hand, student, this line perpendicular, your particle condition, we use this is a column. What is the column and what is the row? I teach you and explain. For example, just like this, I rub this. For example, X matrix here. For example, this and this row. May I rub here? And just like this condition, column. Column and this column. How can we take out ordered pair? What is the ordered pair? I tell you, ordered pair, and then come to the point. For example, here row 1 and row 2, so 2 row. So we write here 2 row. And here look at column 1, just like this, column 1 and column 2. Yeah. 2 column. This calculation we say order pair. For example, just like here, I wrote, say empty line, I write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like this line is 1, 2, 1 row, and 3, 4, row 2, and 1, 2, row 1 elements. I said 3, 4 elements. The other names increase the element. 1, 2 elements of row 1 and 3, 4 elements row 2. For example, just like condition, for example, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 and 2. So we say 2 row. So I wrote here 2 row and 2 column. 1 column and 1 column. 1 column element 1, 3 and second column element 2, 4. The first one I told you and explained you what is the matrix. Have you remember? So I said in early some moment before, I said Then Sylvesters and Arthur Cayley introduced the matrix. I told you 1950, but in your book 1958, but my point of view say introduced 1950. So we say a matrix has rows and columns. And now I explain how can you take out row and column. For example, may I rub this one? A matrix, an element A, B, C, D, E, F, for example, just like this. You tell me how many rows in this matrix, how many columns? You tell me. First one, I tell you just like this condition is row. Row 1 and this is row 2 and column 1, column 2 and column 3. Have you clear? I explain here in this matrix formula you write R by C. So here how many? R, 2 rows and how many columns? 1, 2 and 3 columns. Order pair. Order. Say it. Order pair कहलाएंगे. For example, A order pair 2 into 3. For example, I increase here a row. For example, I, J and K. So here is row 3, row 3, row 1, row 2, row 3, 3 columns and 3 rows. So you write here just like this. This is order pair of A. In this matrix we say we have 3 rows and 3 columns. Matrix very simple. I am saying, please you listen very carefully and understand. Not a problem if there are rows and C column in a matrix. And then the order of the matrix is, I wrote a formula, rows by column. We write in a just like this. In this matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the introduction of matrix. And coming class, I share you kinds of types of matrix and other relative parts. Yes, dear student, आगे चलते हैं. For example, I have a matrix A matrix 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and matrix B A, B, C. First one, I told you order of matrix equal to number of rows by number of columns. For example, I have a matrix row number 1, row 1, row 1 and this is row 2. Row number 1 and row number 2 and column 1 and this column 1 and 7 elements of column 1, column 2 and column 3. How many columns in this matrix? 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. According to the formula, number of rows 1 and 2 and number of columns 1, 2 and 3. Order matrix A. Come to the matrix B. B matrix, for example, row 1 and row 2, column 1 and column 2. So order pair matrix B, 2 row and 2 column. 2 row and 2 column. Anybody asks you how many elements in first row? So first row, row number 1, element 1, 2 and 3. Second row element, second row 7, 8, 6. Come to the column 1, element 1, 7. Column 2, element 2, 8. Column 3, element 3, 6. Have you clear? I said matrix A, you have 2 rows, row 1 and element 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second row, element 7, 8, 6. How many columns in this matrix? Look very carefully. You have first column, second column and third. So I wrote here first column element 1, 7, second column element 2, 8 and third column element 3, 6. Not a problem. All of you look very carefully. You write. For example, IJ. What is this IJ? Look at this one. Sign of element. मैट्रिक्स के जो एलिमेंट को जाहिर करेगा वो ए हो. आई, ये आई क्या है? एंड जे. आई रिस्पेक्टिव रोज नंबर, respective rows number, and J respective columns number, respective column number. Have you clear? I wrote here I respective rows. यानी respective जो भी rows है रो पे जाएंगे, and J respective column. For example, I wrote here A 23. For example, A23, A23. Look at it. Two respective row. Two row. According this matrix, first row and second row. Second row. Come to the second row and column number 3. Column number 3. 6. Very easy, not a problem. A, sign of elements. And this amount 2 means row and 3 means column. Come to the row number 2 and column number 3. तो हमने यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट क्या करना है? साइन ऑफ एलिमेंट, यानी 2 रो का कॉलम नंबर 3 का एलिमेंट्स क्या है? 6. तो आई रोट हियर 6. मेरा for example, you write any number of element. For example, I wrote here 1 3. For example, 1 3. 1 row 1, column 3, column 3. I is element number 3. I wrote here 3. A 2 2 22. A2 2 means row and column number 2 means 8. Write here 8. For example, A 1 1. A 1 1. Row 1 and column 1. Row 1 and column 1 means 1. It is a very easy, not a problem. A means sign of element. A means sign of elements. 1 here row 1. Row 1. Yes, row 1. This I put the finger, row 1 and element. Say you come to the here, for example, 1 row, column 3. So column number 3, row first we use 3 and sign of element. एलिमेंट कौन सा था? वो 3 था, हमने राइट कर दिया यहाँ पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल A 2 2, रो नंबर 2 एंड कॉलम नंबर 2. रो सेकंड रो एंड कॉलम 2. तो एलिमेंट 8. I wrote here 8 and come to the A11. A any row 1, column 1, row 1, column 1. I wrote here. For example, A 21. What that means? A21. 2 row, row 2, 1, column 1, row 2, column 1 means 7. You write 7 here, no problem. Inshallah, say it. You write